Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. We will discuss about the questions that are related to forensic biology. That too, our main focus would be on blood. Blood is an important serological evidence that we obtain in the crime scene. So, blood is a connective tissue. It is a fluid connective tissue. Try to answer these questions and you can pause the video. You can comment down the answers that you think would probably be for this question. Volume of blood consists of our body weight is, that is 1 by 8th of our body, 8 percentage. Then specific gravity of blood is, this is kind of theoretical question. The value should be kept in mind because it might be asked in your competitive exam. It can be useful for 1 mark question for purpose of viva in your interviews. This questions could be asked. Answer is 1.06. Average density of human blood is, again another theoretical question. This is 1060 kg per meter cube, means kg 1060 kilogram of your body, and that is per meter cube. That is the volume of the blood that will be present in the human body. Then plasma consists of, plasma is a fluid matrix. For an example, this is the plasma, this is the fluid matrix. It will contain water, there would be some antibodies floating, and the blood cells would be floating in this portion as well. There would be protein, carbohydrate, and almost everything. So you can consider it as a platter that consists of all the different menu, different food items that are present, be it your sweet, your dessert, your starters, and everything would be there in the platter, isn't it? So plasma is just like a platter, and the answer would be option D, because there would be water, there would be protein, the consecutive blood cells, the antibodies, enzymes, and everything, hormones as well. Fine. Next question is another name of plasma. Some of you must have heard it. That's liquor sanguinis. Then all plasma protein are synthesized in the location for synthesis of plasma protein. You can take it as a homework question. I want you to solve it by yourself. The answer is already there in the comment section. I will pin it for you, but you should try to answer this question by yourself. This is the easiest one of all. Red blood cells are produced in spleen or bone marrow. This could be quite confusing for many of you because one of them is a site where the blood RBC is produced, and another is a site where RBCs just die out, graveyard of RBC. So the answer would be bone marrow. Spleen is the graveyard for RBCs. You should know it. Even this question could be asked. Graveyard, isn't it? Graveyard of RBC. RBCs are born here and they die here. Then lifespan of RBC is approximately 120 days. So somewhere you can find it's written 3 months, and somewhere you can see that the lifespan of RBC is mentioned as 4 months. So it is often confusing, but most of the time, as per the answer key, answer would be 3 months. It is approximately 120 days, so it somewhere ranges between 3 to 4 months. So a more accuracy would be in choosing 3 months as an option. 1 millimeter cube of blood, if you have 1 millimeter cube of blood, then the total number of RBC there would be, in 1 millimeter cube of blood there are approximately 5 million RBCs. Then most adult hemoglobin consists of 4 polypeptide chains. If you know the structure of hemoglobin, if you are aware with the biochemistry of hemoglobin, then this question would be like a piece of cake for you. Then the adult hemoglobin is designated as alpha 2, beta 2. Try to analyze each and every options very carefully. You might get confused in alpha 2, beta 2 and 2 alpha, 2 beta as an option. Now I hope this much was enough for you, and you must be liking this series. Maybe this kind of questions are not very prone to be asked in net examinations or set examination, but it is essential for clarification of your basic understanding, because then only you would be able to solve the questions of advanced level, which is of extreme importance, isn't it? Thank you so much, and do subscribe our channel.